Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today I'm going to show you how to create this circle animation made out of lines. So I'm pretty beginner on how to do this. It's kind of manual how I did it, but if you got like better options and solutions, just write down in the comment below. Let's do this. Alright, so what I did firstly, I went into Adobe Illustrator and selected the line segment tool. Make sure that you're on the stroke. I'm gonna click on the fill, click on the none, click on the stroke, and I'm gonna go up here where they intersect and create a line. And I'm gonna add some thickness from the stroke. And what I'm gonna do is select the rectangle, and I'm gonna, as you can see here, we have the intersection point, right, the perfect center point. So I'm gonna create, a rectangle here, and I'm gonna select this line and select the rotate tool, which is located here. Press and hold Alt and click here on this edge. I'm gonna type in now 20 degrees, click on copy, press Ctrl D until it goes round and around. So this time I'm gonna make it more rare because it's really time consuming because I'm doing it manually. So I'm gonna select them all and increase the stroke. So I'm gonna save it, file, save as, rename it however you like. Okay, let's go back to the After Effects. Click on new composition. I'm gonna go with 1080 by 1080. I'm gonna make it like 10 seconds and rename it as circle. Click OK. I'm gonna drag in from the folder the AI file that I just created. There you go. And I'm gonna drop it to the render queue. Right click on it, go to create shape from vector layer. I'm gonna delete the AI file. Let's select this one. Here I'm gonna recolor the stroke to white. I'm gonna press the letter S to scale and I'm gonna scale it up. And here you can make the stroke even more thicker. There you go. So what I need to do is go to one of the groups, click on the stroke 1, and we got the stroke weight. So here I'm gonna activate the stopwatch. I'm gonna go to 15 frames. And I'm gonna type in here 0. Actually, I'm gonna type in only 1, so it won't see that. So it's gonna be really thin. I'm gonna go to the second, and I'm gonna come back to 20. I'm gonna select them all, right click on the keyframe assist, and click on easy ease. So basically, you need, how I know you need to do it like manually. So there's another trick. Here's the stroke width. I'm gonna press Ctrl C. I'm gonna go to the group, stroke 1. And of course, now you can copy paste this here also to the stroke width. But before we do that, we're gonna type in here 0004. See that? So this is going to jump to the 4th frame. And now we're gonna click on the stroke width, press Ctrl V, and it starts a little bit more later, so it won't start at the same time, it's gonna be a little bit of delay. So we're here, I'm gonna type in 08. So after every single copy paste, you add 4 more frames to jump a little bit further. So I'm gonna go to group 3, stroke 1, stroke width, Ctrl V. See that? It jumped. I'm gonna type in now add more 4, it's gonna be 12. Jumped. I'm gonna go to the group 4, stroke 1, stroke width, Ctrl V, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I came to the end and check this out. The whole thing is being animated like this. So yeah, mainly this is how you do it. This was my experiment and I just got wild with it. But if you got like better solutions like how to animate this faster without doing this manual work, just leave a comment down below. So yeah, this was it. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.